Rich, slow-cooked, proper, comforting beef. Bourguignon isn't just dinner, it's a story in a pot. Today, I'm tracing how a humble Burgundy stew went from farm to fame and why it became the beating heart of French cuisine. Start in Burgundy, centuries back. Farmers had tough cuts from hard-working cattle. Think shin-chuck brisket and a local surplus of robust red wine. Waste nout. Onions, carrots, herbs, bacon, braised low and slow with wine, tenderizing, flavoring, preserving. That's bœuf à la Bourguignonne, born of necessity, patience, and what the land gives you. And Burgundy gives plenty. Charolais cattle, Pinot Noir, lean, aromatic, high in acidity, a proper partner for rich beef. Monasteries kept vineyards humming, and village cooks learned the alchemy. Deglaze reduces simmer till collagen melts into silk. That marriage, terroir on the plate and in the glass, is the soul of the dish. As France urbanized, the stew moved from farmhouse to bistro. Escoffier and the grand hotels codified technique, sear in batches, render lardons, build a fond bouquet, garni separate glaze from garnish, finish with a glossy reduction. It stayed rustic at heart, but the edges got polished. Pearl onions glazed, mushrooms sautéed, sauce strained to a mirror sheen. Why did it become the heart of French cuisine? Mise en place, searing, deglazing, reduction, balance. Second, it's democratic. Cheap cuts turned luxurious with time and care. Respect the ingredient, cook with patience. Eat together. And finally, it's regional pride writ large. Burgundy in a bowl. Then came the global moment. Post-war, home kitchens got better kit, and French cooking became aspirational. Julia Child, Book TV, bringing the aroma right through the screen. She demystified it. Dry the beef, don't crowd the pan. Brown properly, simmer gently, let the wine sing. Suddenly, a Sunday pot in Burgundy became a Saturday project in Boston, Manchester, Melbourne. Chefs kept pushing. In fine dining, it turned refined. Tiny lardons, baby onions, a sauce you could see your grin in.